you want your videos quality look like a DSLR, no matter the video was recorded by a simple cell phone, so this video is absolutely for you. Watch this video till the end and make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, because by subscribing my channel you can get my more videos. So please subscribe to this channel right now and start this video right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing my channel, you can get the notifications of my new videos. So please subscribe to the channel and see you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.